Downloaded Claude Code on my old computer. This is probably a 2009. It's a 2009 HP, and I just wiped it and put Kali, the distro Kali Linux on it, and I was able to download Claude desktop. And when I go to run Claude Code, this is what happens. It says try sending your message again. If it keeps happening, share feedback so we can investigate. Claude Code crashed. Claude Code process terminated by signal sigil. And when I asked Claude why this was happening, Claude ended up walking me through the steps to come to the conclusion that my machine is outdated. Basically, my CPU is an AMD Phenom 2 X4 945. It's a 2009 chip, and the AVX check printed nothing, which confirms it has no AVX support at all. Current Claude Code's native binary requires AVX instructions your processor simply doesn't have, so it crashes the instant it tries to run them. So I can't run Claude Code on my computer, basically. Cannot run Claude Code. It's giving me the explanation, and I basically told it what I was trying to use Claude Code for. I wanted to use this computer as like a cybersecurity computer, and I wanted it to, run me through how to use Kali and what all the tools are. And it ended up saying that I don't need Claude Code for any of this. It says I can be your Kali guide right here. You ask me anything as you go. Paste it, paste input, paste output that confuses you, and I'll walk you through it step by step. For a beginner, honestly, this is often easier than the CLI anyway. So it's saying that Claude is better to use as a beginner when trying to learn a new processing software. Says a couple of things worth saying up front since you're just starting. Kali is a specialized distro. It's built for security testing, which makes it powerful but also a bit sharp-edged for first Linux experience. It assumes you already know your way around the terminal. That's totally fine. We'll take it slow, and the terminal skills you learn transfer to every Linux system. So this isn't the first Linux I've had. I've had Fedora on an old laptop, and I ended up updating that laptop to a Ubuntu. So I'm somewhat familiar, but not totally. It says on the pen testing side, everything I'll help you learn is meant for systems you own or have explicit written permission to test. The great thing is you don't need anyone else's network. You build your own safe practice lab, deliberately vulnerable machines, and free legal training sites. And that's actually how the pros learn too. Scanning or attacking systems you don't own is illegal. So we'll keep everything in the sandbox. Thank you, Claude. Here's what I can help you with. Let me know what you'd like to start, and we'll go from there. So, I told it I wanted to learn terminal fundamentals first. It gave me a list of things, and I told it the terminal fundamentals. So right now it's just going through the basic terminal commands, what they mean. Yeah. Basically using Claude as a cybersecurity teacher for this computer. I've got Claude on this computer, software developing, and I got Claude on that computer, still deciding what we're doing over there with that one, because that's the Ubuntu that I just downloaded on my laptop. So, and then we still got the PC that we gotta build. We got the PC. We got the Intel PC that we got to put together. So that's gonna be a workhorse. I'm still waiting on the GPU. We'll get to that.